I'm your Desma 21 drawing and color instructor, Yuhao Jiang. Welcome back to another project overview video. I'm so excited to introduce you to Project 3, Digital Collage. In this project, you're going to make a series of images based on a contemporary social political issue, exploring the style of collage and appropriation. Here, we're going to break this project down into 5 steps. First is a warm-up exercise. You'll need to find 5 printed sources, make 1 cutout on each print, and take 10 pictures using these prints as frames. Secondly, pick a contemporary social or political issue you like to research. Third, write down a list of categories or keywords you're planning to incorporate in your collage, and sketch out a few compositions. Fourth, create an image archive of at least 40 found images. Last, you will use images from your archive to create 8 new compositions in Photoshop, exploring the techniques of appropriation and collage. Okay, now let's take a closer look at each step. Step 1, the warm-up exercise. Here, I have some grocery receipt, newspapers, magazines, postcards, and a chocolate wrapping paper. I'm making cutouts using a pair of scissors and then taking pictures using these cutouts as frames. And these are the photos I ended up with. An important concept to think about here is juxtaposition. Juxtaposition is an act of placing 2 elements close together or side by side. Once I put the frame with the scene, they elicit new meanings. We no longer see them as individual image, object, or symbol. Step 2. Pick a contemporary social or political issue that you are interested in. Once you pick one, ask yourself what you find interesting about it and where you stand on the matter. How does it make you feel? Do some research. What perspectives or opinions would you like to see represented on this matter? Step 3. Write down a list of categories or keywords you're planning to incorporate in your collage, or sketch out a few compositions. For example, here is a list of words I came up with associated with the issue of data privacy, including Silicon Valley, election, gambling, online identity, and Facebook. Step 4. Create an archive of at least 40 found images based on the categories and keywords you wrote down. Notice that these keywords don't have to be directly related to the social political issue you're working on. I might be looking for a specific blue to be incorporated as a person's hair color. Also remember, Google image search isn't the only way you can find source images. There are tons of digital image archives that are publicly accessible. You can also directly screen capture images and text. However, be aware of the resolution of the images you're collecting. You can always downsizing but not upsizing. Step 5. Create 8 new compositions in Adobe Photoshop using images from your archive, exploring the techniques of appropriation and collage. Each composition has to be at least 8.5 by 11 inches, 300 dpi. You can choose either landscape or portrait orientation or a different aspect ratio. Among these 8, I want you to create 1 digital collage only utilizing 1 source image, and also create 2 collages only utilizing 2 source images, and another 2 collages utilizing less than 6 source images. For the rest, you can have the freedom to incorporate as many source images as you want. Well, that's all for our project overview. If you need more inspirations, there is a list of artists whose practices are related to collage and appropriation on our class website under the project page. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you're going to make. Bye bye!